Hi, I'm Jeff from Grand Design RV, and today we are looking at the Momentum 21G travel trailer.
This is the new Momentum.
Now this is a new floor plan for us. It's a new series. The G-Class series incorporates both travel trailers and fifth wheels, and this model is our very first travel trailer. A lot of times with travel trailer toy haulers, what you don't get is you don't get some cool things like walk-around queen beds. You typically have not enough cargo space, and then a lot of times if you do have enough cargo space, the overall trailer length is too long or too heavy. Sorry. We have a really nice 14-foot cargo area here. We do have a walk-around queen bed, and this entire package comes in about 27 feet, and it's half-ton towable. So inside here, you've got a lot of space. Again, over 14 feet of space in here to put your toys, put your cargo. Up here, you'll notice that every single one of these units comes standard with a Rockford Fosgate entertainment system. So what that's going to include is a 10-inch subwoofer. It's going to include all of the speakers, and it's just a really premium audio experience. A stainless steel farm sink, so just like you'd have at home. There's actually a 3-burner cooktop oven, microwave up top, and a lot of storage space up top for dishes. Inside here as well, this is a walk-around queen bed. A lot of times with these shorter travel trailer toy haulers, and even the bigger ones, you just have a queen bed tucked in a corner. But we wanted to make this very unique, very functional, and so we put this queen bed in the slide, and that allows you to have a full walk-around space here like you'd have in a normal travel trailer or even a fifth wheel. Also included up front is a nice dresser. You've got wardrobe hanging space recessed into the wall and a nice big mirror. We didn't leave anything out in the bathroom either. You've got plenty of space in here. It's a his and hers bathroom. Comes with a porcelain toilet, sink, shower. Good size for this size of the travel trailer. Back here in the back, you've actually got what we call happy jacks. There's a sofa here on the bottom. This will actually fold down into a bed. And then there's a dedicated bed up top that can also come down as well.
This is the new Momentum. Very exciting. You have 2 beds. You can put a motorcycle. Oh, see, it stopped. Oh, so it stops there.
Overall, you can sleep 2 people in the bedroom, you can sleep 2 people on the bottom bunk, and you can sleep 2 people on the top bunk. Now, I mentioned that this is a floor plan that's around 27 feet long, and if you look at that, most of all of that is taken up by this awning here, which is really nice. So that when you get to where you're going, you can put this awning out, you can grill, barbecue, you can just sit out and enjoy the outside. Huge awning on the outside. Got a lot of place for storage, both inside and out. Here's a nice storage cargo area right here, as well as all the space you get on the inside. So again, if you want to see one of these in person, go to Alexandria Camping Centre, and you can talk to one of the guys or gals there. They'd be happy to show you one of these, or you can contact Grand Design and we can answer questions as well.